Hi there, Craig Hocknull coming to you from the Waste Management Phoenix Open. Just going to run through my warm-up routine. We're going to break up this series into a few different videos. I'm going to show you how I go through my warm-up and I get ready to play an event. So first thing I'm going to do is take my saber, stretch it up, and I like to kind of Gumby it around. You know, this is what I call the Gumby stretch. So I'm just going to circle it around, get my shoulders kind of nice and loose. As I get my shoulders loose like this, I'm basically feeling anywhere in my upper body, in my shoulders, biceps. This is a great bicep stretch right here, forearm stretch. As I move it and I angle it up, I can pull on my left hand, creates a little bit more stretch in that right forearm, and then I can alternate and do the same thing over here. So any way that you feel like you can use the saber to stretch out, that's what you want to do. So I'm going to do some side bend stretches like this, back and forth. Anything that I feel like I need to stretch at that moment. So you get the gist of it. It's a stretching tool as well. You can set it behind your back. Because it has two grips, one on each end, it's very symmetrical and uniform, so you can do any stretch you want. You can also use it as a balancing tool if you're going to choose to do any leg stretches as well. So there you go. That's step one of my warm-up.